Hey guys, what's going on? This is John from Friends to Your Benefits. You may have heard that recently Apple has made some big upgrades to its Apple Card program that purportedly can benefit you a lot. Sound tempting? Well, today we'll tell you whether or not the apple is worth the bite. Make sure you watch until the very end as we will show you a trick on how to get an actual physical Apple titanium card in your hands. Stay tuned. The Apple Card is part of the overall Apple Pay ecosystem. Let's be real, this card isn't for everyone. Overall, while it doesn't have any annual fees, it does have a reward structure that's a little bit different compared to other credit cards in the market. Let's take a look and see if this card should be part of your financial plan. So let's talk about some of the benefits of the Apple Card. So Apple provides 3% cash back on any purchases made through Apple.com and iTunes. And in addition, they are currently providing 3% cash back on purchases made through T-Mobile, Nike, and believe it or not, Ace Hardware. For the month of May, they're actually upping the ante and providing 6% cash back on any purchases made through Nike.com. For any other Apple Pay purchases, they're currently providing 2% cash back, and for any vendors out there that don't actually accept Apple Pay but make you use your physical Apple Card, they're giving you 1% cash back. For the earned cash back, the money goes into Apple Cash, which is a savings account that earns 4.15% APR, which is significantly better than what most banks are offering as of 2023. Apple also offers some tools to help you watch your savings grow over time. Why would Apple give so much in the way of rewards, John? Well, it promotes brand loyalty, and it makes it more likely that you'll continue to use Apple products in the future. So let's talk about the cons. Like any other credit card out there, the interest rate is crazy high. It varies from 16 to 27% annually, and if you don't pay your credit card bill in full, you could definitely rack up a lot of credit card debt quickly. In addition, there's no welcome bonus, and for any non-Apple Pay purchases, the 1% cash back seems low compared to what's available in the marketplace. In addition, it does require an Apple device and Apple Pay in order to get the rewards and benefits. Android users, sorry, you're definitely SOL with this one. Lastly, if you were to take your money from Apple Savings and transfer it to your own bank, they do charge a 1.5% penalty for any instant transactions. Now, like what you're seeing and hearing, feel free to like the video and subscribe, and we'll be sure to make more videos like this in the future. So now we're going to show you how you can actually get your Apple physical titanium card, as Apple won't send you one unless you request it. So what we do from here is we open up the Apple Wallet and we're going to click on the Apple MasterCard. So we click it, and then in the upper right hand corner we're going to click the three dots. We do that, and we're going to go to card details. So we scroll down, and here are some of the details. You see that my overall APR is 15.74%. I have nearly $12,000 available, and we're going to scroll down a little bit more. And while I have my actual physical card, we're going to click the button to request a replacement card. We do that. It's going to ask some questions. So we're going to say for now that it is lost. We click next. It's going to ask me to confirm my address. It's blanked out for now. And once we click confirm, Apple will actually FedEx us a physical Apple Pay titanium card. For now, we'll click cancel. We're going to go back, and I'm going to show you guys how to actually pay your credit card. So as of right now, even though I have a balance of $611.85, it says no payment is due. I've already paid my April balance in full. We're going to click pay more. And here's the option, right? We can either pay the entire balance, or we can go back. And while I currently don't have any balance from the prior month, there's no interest rate. So for now, I'm going to click pay the full $611.85. We do that. It's processing. It's going to ask me to double click to pay. I'm going to do that. Face ID scan, processing, and there you go. Everything is paid in full. So I know a whole bunch of you out there are really excited for the cash rewards for Ace Hardware. But for those of you who are looking to use Apple Pay and Apple Card for other services, what are you actually spending it on? Comment below.